Muthenya wa umuthi ni kuma na igongona ria kumark 1 year in comedy ya Wakairu wa Ndeia. Wakairu wa Ndeia akoretwo one of the fast rising comedians in the country, na agipull character yake ya mutumia wa haria Ocha, na uria agikoragwo tough kuri mwana wake, na uria akoragwo na relationship haria na muthuri wake and other women in the village. And muthenya wa umuthi ni agokoragwo akimark that 1 year, and it was an event that was marked by that was attended by very many big people, among them ni tuonire Karangũ wa Muraya haria, Esi Wawiri, and the controversial Triza Mamake Muraya, among many others. Shai we hau hari acio atatu ndakorwo ngigweta kuona ati recently nikoretwo na Shai wao, na mambo ile ambayo imekuwa ikitrend ku online ni ya Triza ni arakirikire gukorwo akiuma nyumba ya Esi Wawiri, na arakorwo agikombora nyumba yake haria turona gabica haria kana video na tuti haria kuonania maundu ni pole pole, ni kusonga pole pole, nake Esi arakorwo akirekereria ndumiriri na kuga ati thaa ici Triza ndari moko-ini make. Now today ni makorirwo magicemania kuria igongona-ini riu, na makorwo makitwo maine hamwe. Started with Esi Wawiri, yacoka Triza Mamake Muraya na akorwo akiina mundu ni mundu, some reactions, quite interesting reactions haria stage-ini, and now the most and extreme reactions iria tukorirwo tukiona muthenya wa umuthi ni the love between Karash and Triza Mamake Muraya is back like it never left. Jeka ni wona handu hau mahehanirira wale watu wa emotional battalion wale watu walisema ate Triza ndagacoka kou there are things that happen in this industry na rimwe ni wega mundu agakorwo on the neutral side, because Shai toyo thaici it is a drama that is almost ending. Dronire mundu akiuga ati it was all scripted, but I don't think it was scripted, but they have all driven the things. Hena story dekire ya taming Triza back to Gatundu. No, they have tamed Triza back to Gatundu, not the actual Gatundu, but a proxy of Gatundu. And now trust me, slowly by slowly, before we realize, Triza egukoro acokete na thi kahora na horo ucio gathira. Moral of the story, watu wamepitisha miaka 2 kwa relationship yao sio chai. It is something that has sparked a lot of reactions. Hari antorikia kuona have that moment. How do you no comment here what you think about this story?